Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs, and I'm here today to share with you our latest project, the FGX Splitter Kit. So new splitter kit for the FGX. We'll start with the front of the car. This is our brand new design front splitter. Also comes with a new badging that we've just come out with. Our splitters also come with a 10-year warranty. So anything that you have, any issues that you have with the splitter, just let us know and we'll take care of it for you. It also comes with a lot of optional extras. So you can option the kit to have our front extensions, which you can adjust. This is great, especially if you have bigger wheels or you want a more aggressive setup. You can also option for our front winglets, which is also adjustable. You can buy the kit fully loaded like it is now, or keep it nice and clean and just have the splitter on its own. All right, let me just give you a quick demo of what's achievable on the accessories. Now moving down to the side of the car, we have our side splitters with the optional winglets, as well as our rear spats and rear winglets to finish off the side of the car. And just like the front, it comes with adjustable accessories, which I'll show you how they work now. So you can run it with or without, and you can adjust it like so. The rear spats are also adjustable, so I'll show you how they work. One thing I almost forgot to mention is that to adjust accessories, all you need is a 4mm Allen key. Just don't forget to tighten them up when you're done. Last part I want to show you guys is our rear diffuser. Now the best thing about this kit is that each of these fiends don't require any hardware to be fitted, so it's a very nice and clean installation. FGX Splitter Kit comes in 2 finishes. You can choose our gloss back finish, which is what is currently fitted to the car, or you can go with our textured finish, which has great scratch resistant properties, which is very low maintenance. Both options will come with our new aluminium badging on both. We're also offering rear window vents for the FGX. Now this is a great conversational piece, awesome for your car meets or for its intended purpose, track days. Easy to install, easy to take out, put in the back of your car, we're ready when you need it. Righty, that sums up our new kit for the FGX. Comes in 2 finishes. You've got a choice of accessories you can choose with or without. And of course, our splitter kit comes with a 10-year warranty and is also made in Australia. Thanks for watching. Any information you need, just give us a hoy. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to give you a sound check.